Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Hub. And in today's video we are going to learn one of the most important topic in Python programming, which is data type. In our previous lecture we discussed about what are variables, what is the scope of Python, etc. In the next slide we will move toward the data type. In today's video we are going to learn one of the most important topic in Python programming, which is data type. If you are a beginner in Python, then this video will help you understand everything step by step in very easy way. So let's get started. What are data types? In Python, data types are used to define the data stored in a variable. They tell Python what kind of value a variable holds. Example, number, text, true, false, etc. Simply speaking, data type tells the computer what kind of value we are using. Without data type, Python cannot understand the data properly. So data types are very important in programming because they help to organize and use data correctly. Let's start with the first data type. Our first data type is integers. Integers mean whole number. Whole number, you know very well, 0 to all counting. Not decimal, can be positive or negative. Example, 10, 50, minus 5 and 100. Example, if we want to write Python code, we use these type of writing command to give output. X is equal to 10, print X. It will print the value X that was stored in the variable X. It will print the value 10 that is stored in the variable X. Float is our next data type that we will discuss. Float data type is used to store number that contain decimal point. It represents number like 3.14, 2.5 and minus 1.7. In our previous slide we discussed that what are integers. In integers we include 175 but not 1.75. This is the great difference between integers and float data type. And float data type include positive and negative all values, but in integer we will not discuss about that. Integer we discuss simply value 314, not 2.25, not 2.5. This is a great difference between float and integer. Float values can be positive and negative. They are commonly used in scientific calculation and measurement. It provides more precise values compared to integers data type. Example, x is equal to 3.14, y is equal to 2.5. It will print 3.14 and 2.5. Especially we need float mode to get more accurate values, especially in measurement, calculation and scientific work. In this type of work we use float data type. Now we come to the string data type. The string data type is used to store text in Python. It is written inside single or double quote, like double quote hello, double quote Python. String can use letter, number and symbols. They are commonly used to store names, messages and sentences. Storing data type is one of the most frequently used data type in Python. For example, name is this, variable message is this. Print name and message will print this and it will print this. I want to conclude string by saying that everything written inside double quote becomes strings. So strings are used when we deal with text, data and number. Now let's talk about boolean data type. The boolean data type is used to store any two values, true or false. It is commonly used to represent condition or decision in programming. Boolean value help in checking whether something is correct or not. For example, in variable can show if a student is present or absent. It is very important in logical operations and control statement. Example, a student is equal to true is log n is equal to false. Print a student present log. It will print the true and false statement, not this, because these are the variables that store value true and false. Especially it is used in condition like is the user login, is the answer correct. So boolean help programmer to make decision. Next is the list data type. The list data type is used to store multiple items in a single variable. It can contain different types of data like number, string and both. Lists are ordered meaning item and have a specific position or index. They are changeable, so values can be added, removed or updated. Lists are very helpful for storing collection of data in a Python. Example number this. We especially write list in square brackets. You see that 1 to 3 we write it in square bracket. Fruits names, apple, banana, mango, double quote these strings and store in list. Print number, print fruit. These are string, but they are stored in the list. then then they become the list data type, not string in a single value inside a list. Especially we use list when we want to store collections like that, student names, marks, and items. Now the last data type is tuple. Tuple similar to a list, but the main difference is tuple cannot be changeable once created. This is the clear difference between list and tuple. The tuple data type is used to store multiple items in a single variable. It is the same line that we will discuss in the list. It is similar to the list, but it cannot be changeable after creation. It cannot change after creation. Tuples are ordered, so each item has fixed position or index. They can store different types of data like number and string. Tuples are useful when we want to keep data safe and unchangeable. This is the great difference between list and tuple. We write tuple in round brackets 1 2 3 4, fruits string in round brackets, print number, print, it will print this, and it will print this, apple, banana, and mango 1 2 3 4. Especially we use tuple when we want to fix data that should not be modified. In conclusion, in Python, data type define the type of value stored in a variable. We study important data types like float, string, boolean, and tuple. Each data type has its own purpose and uses in programming. Understanding data type is very important for writing correct and efficient code. They perform basic foundation of Python programming. Python data types are very important because they define what type of data we are working with. Today we learned integers for whole number, float for decimals, string for text, and boolean for true false value, list for multiple value, and tuple for fixed value. Each data type has its own importance in programming. If you understand data type properly, your Python foundation will become very strong. That's it for my today video. I hope you understand Python data type in very easy way. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my learning hub. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.